Hi friends, today I am going to tell you how to enter new admission details in Shala darpan. For this, first you need net. Get your system connected with internet. Open any browser like Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Type KVS Shala darpan. Now open the first link. You will get this type of interface. Click on login. You have to enter your school ID and password. Click on sign in. Now click on the second option, M*SES active icon. Yeah, in this way M* will be downloaded. Open it. Click on connect. Here you have to type the password. Now I have typed the password. Click on OK. This type of page will be opened. Now you have to type the OMV card number and password. In this way, I have typed the OMV card number and password, then click on sign in. Yeah, you can see this page. Now go to student, activities, student details, then student personal details. Yeah, there are some mandatory things to be filled which are marked with star mark: academic year, first name, gender, nationality, social class, status, education session, admission date, section, and special category, fee category. Let us fill all these details. Now I have filled the details. Click on save and continue. It will ask for the confirmation. Click on OK. Please select a student. OK. Now go to view. Type the admission number or child name. Just now I have entered the details of admission number 1979. I am going to type that here. Yes, I have typed 1979. Here you can see the child details. Click on that. Yeah, all the details are here. Now click on save and continue. Data has been saved successfully. Okay. Now it will ask for date of birth. Type date of birth here. Fill the date of birth. If you know the blood group, fill the blood group and click on save and continue. Data has been saved successfully. Okay. Yeah, now we are going to enter the details of father. Expired, no. Differently abled, no. Here you have to type the father's first name, father's occupation, and residential address. I have entered the details. Occupation, I have selected others because the parent is a private employee. Now I am going to click on save and continue. Okay. Now it will ask for details of occupation. Service type, others, service details, others. Okay. Click on save and continue. Click on OK. Now click on back. Okay. Here you have to select mother. Now we are going to fill the details of mother. Here, instead of typing the residential address twice, you have an option copy father's address. Yeah, automatically the father's address will be copied here, and mother occupation and name we have to type. I have selected mother's occupation as housewife. Now click on save and continue. Okay. Select here service type, housewife, service details, housewife. Okay. Then click on save and continue. Okay. Yeah. Now all the details of the child are filled. You can come back now. Click on exit. Yes. Now you can enter the details of other child.